How to play 2v2 in Clash Royale in 2025. I'm going to tell you how you can still play 2v2 in 2025, even though it's no longer a permanent mode. As of the recent updates, 2v2 has been moved to seasonal events, meaning you won't see it in the regular battle menu every day. Instead, you'll need to wait until it's available for that season. When it's active, head to the battle screen and tap the game mode switcher drop down. Look for Classic 2v2 in the list, and if it's there, select it. From there, you can invite a friend or team up with a random partner or jump into the match. Once the season or event ends, 2v2 will disappear again until it rotates back in. So, the key is to check the game mode switcher regularly. When it shows up, that's your chance to enjoy some fast paced, chaotic duo gameplay before it's gone again.